was living for real, loving for a moment, taking on the road. That was just my style. Now look into your eyes, I can see forever. The search is over. You were with me all while.
What's up guys? So this is Gawins TV again. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng reaction tungkol sa bagong cover ni Roland Bunot dito sa kanyang Facebook page na in-upload niya. So gagawa tayo ng reaction video sa kanya dahil nakita ko to sa Facebook page ni Roland Bunot. So napakaganda yung version niya to. So ang kanta niya kinover ni Bunot ay The Search is Over. So let's go. Panoorin natin guys.
Can I convince you what you see is real? Who am I to blame for doubting what you feel? I was always wishing you were just the girl I knew. I took for granted the friends I have in you.
Ang ganda talaga ng vibrato ni Roland Bunot kapag magpo-florong na siya. Ano tawag nun? Basta, ang ganda talaga ng vibrato ni Roland Bunot. Lalo na yung tunog husky, yung boses niya, napakaganda. Yun ang nagustuhan ko kay Roland Bunot kasi napakaganda pakinggan yung vibrato ni Roland Bunot.
I was living for real, loving for a moment, taking on love. That was just my style. Now look into your eyes, I can see forever.
Di ba guys? Napakaganda yung vibrato niya. Forever! Napakaganda talaga yung Pasensya na hindi ako singer pero napakanta na lang ako dito kasi napakaganda talaga yung version niya dito. So first time ko nakarinig ng cover ng The Search is Over tapos yung kumakanta yung husky pa yung boses. So isa to sa pinaka-favorito ko na kanta.
The search is over. You were with me all the while. It will last forever. Then we fall apart. Times are so confusing. The questions of the heart. You follow me through changes, and patiently you wait till I came to my senses through some miracle of fate. I was living for real,
Napakaganda talaga guys, grabe.
for a moment, taking on the road. That was just my style. Now look into your eyes.
Grabe yun guys, kuha niya tong na to, kanta. Husky yung boses tapos ganito yung kinakanta. Ibang klase to guys, grabe talaga si Roland Bunot. Sa palagay ko lang kung ito yung kinakanta ni Roland Bunot sa AGT, sigurado hindi talaga siya matatanggal. No? Kung ito lang yung kinakanta niya, kasi swak na swak to sa kanya eh. Ibang klase kapag husky yung boses tapos ito yung kinakanta.
The search is over. You were with me all the while. Now all my mistakes out behind me, love that I have lost. Broken hearts lying victims of the game.
Grabe talaga guys, no?
It finally struck like lightning from the blue. Every highway's leading me back to you. Now at last I hold you.
Grabe talaga si Roland, grabe.
Said and done.
Diyos ko. Kung ito lang talaga yung kinakanta ni Roland Bunot, Sharo, Sharo gadud guys. Panigurado kuhang-kuha talaga ni Bunot yun. Feeling ko talaga kapag ito yung kinakanta niya sa AGT, sure ko na makakuha talaga si Roland dito. Kasi napakaganda yung performance niya dito napakaganda. Parang ano lang to nila ni Joel Sibag, parang ano lang nila nito tawag nito, parang nagkakaraoke lang sila dito Parang ganun lang. So, binidyohan siya. May video nga yung asawa ni Joel dito sa Facebook din. So, nakita ko. Akala ko nakaupo lang si Roland. Nakatayo pala siya. So, akala ko nakaupo lang siya dito. Pero nakatayo pala. So, yun. Napakaganda talaga guys. Kung ito lang talaga yung kinakanta ni Roland sa AGT, grabe. Panigurado hindi matatanggal si Roland dun.
Since this come full circle, our destinies are one. So if you ever love me, show me that you care. And all for something, the man I really am.
Oh!
Sleeping for me, loving for moments, taking out the road. That was just my style. I cannot touch your hand. I can hear you whisper, the search is over. Love is mine before my eyes.
Oh my God! Woo! Grabe, Roland Bunot. Grabe talaga guys. Ibang klase talaga. Kung ito lang talaga yung kinakanta ni Roland, sure na sure talaga guys, hindi talaga masatanggal si Roland. Panigurado maging finalist pa siya doon sa makuha pa yan yung kampyonato na pang America's Got Talent. Baka siya pa yung mag-champion doon sa singing. Grabe to guys. Kung ito lang talaga yung kinakanta ni Roland, grabe. Panigurado talaga. Wala akong masabi talaga guys, grabe. Ibang klase si Roland Bunot. Kahit anong kanta pa isabak mo sa kanya, napaka-unique yung napaka-unique pakinggan kasi yung boses ni Roland napakaganda kasi husky yung boses, tapos yung mga kinakanta niya napaka-swak talaga sa kanya. Lalo na yung mga old song na mga kanta, yun ang mga swak ni Roland Bunot. Sus, grabe guys. Kung si Roland lang talaga ang pipili ng kanta niya para sa competition na yun, panigurado hindi siya mahirapan. Sayang talaga. Tapos yung kinakanta niya dati, yung acoustic pa yun, hindi swak sa kanya, pero nakuha niya pa rin, napatayo pa rin yung mga tao. Lalo na kung ito yung kinuha niya na kanta. Kung siya yung pipili ng kanta, lalo na kung ito yung kinakanta niya, grabe. So, yun lang muna guys. Dito lang muna magtatapos yung vlog natin. So, see you in my next vlog and see you in my next upload. So, huwag niyo kalimutan na subscribe para makita niyo yung mga latest upload natin. So, this is Gawins TV. Peace out!